right, ready.
Quiet on set. Camera.
Rolling.
Sound.
Sound speed.
Slate.
This is scene 3D, take 2. Mark.
Smoke, hold for action. Action.
Real. Pretty sure that's not supposed to happen.
Set. Camera.
Rolling.
Speed. Sound.
Sound speed.
Slate.
This is scene 3D, take 2. Mark.
Action.
What are we going to do? What are we going to do? This is a year of planning, Peter. A year. Down the drain. Good thing I brought shot.
Slate.
This is a pickup for scene 3D, take 2. Mark.
Action.
What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? This took a year, Peter. A year. You wanna take that up?
All the way to Bridezilla
Okay.
on page 4.
I think we should just go all the way to shut up. Yeah. Scotty,
I feel like that's gonna start.
You're right. So we're gonna go all the way to the group says shut up.
Is it possible to move this light?
It's gonna literally get up on
Yes.
the box.
I was
Like if you
actually,
had the man.
yeah. I was gonna try and bring it a
Before you
little
do
bit
that,
closer.
let me show you what frame I'm going to use.
Okay.
Really, it's that far?
I take a large, is this when
So,
that happens?
wait a minute. Do I come back? Do I
Yeah,
stay
but
over
I mean,
there?
that's the script we're working on.
Just for literally.
So, what are we working on right now?
We're currently filming the opening shots. of
Actually,
our
no,
film.
because this is a different camera.
Bridal breakdown.
So I would just keep it
Heck yeah.
consistent to the other camera.
Sweet.
Keep it be-
So, what's the plan for the
that way
shot?
we'll know.
We're just gonna be sitting here stationary. The van's gonna pull up, and our main character Peter's gonna be exiting this restaurant here. He's gonna be throwing his apron off. He's quitting. They're gonna pick him up, and they're gonna essentially just drive off. So, really straightforward stuff.
We get a camera. Camera rolling. Slate is good. Action.
Peter! Come on!
quit.
Let's go!
Turn off.
Come on!
Turn off. Up yours. Oh yeah?
Come on!
Well, then
Peter.
you're fired.
Cut. For stuff I don't like.
Okay. I'm gonna do blue
Like
for good.
green.
Or
Blue.
green. Green is go, I guess. There you go.
There's like a lighter green. I guess
Oh,
it
is
doesn't
there?
matter.
You get particular.
Yeah,
Sorry,
George.
I was trying to ask forest.
Probably forest, yeah.
But
Forest,
I'm
yeah.
trying to incorporate
No, I'm just kidding. I'm kidding around here.
I mean, don't know why you would think dark green would even be remotely
I don't
acceptable.
know. I didn't, but that's whatever.
Who asked you for your opinion?
Chris said, "Are you gonna edit my YouTube channel?"
Your YouTube channel.
Yeah, I'm gonna do a little let's
Are you
play.
getting that?
Yeah.
What are we gonna do? What are we going to do? This is a year's worth of planning. Down the drain!
That's not supposed to happen.
You know, I like that too. It looks like he knows what he's doing though in that shot.
I also
Not
never
you,
share back
but-
up. Oh.
Not you.
Yeah, I remember you making that call.
What are we going to do? This is a year of planning. A year of planning, Peter. Good day. Down the drain.